Here, this question is asking me for the x-intercept. So let's think about a line, right? Like let's say this line is going to look like this, okay? The x-intercept is the point where the line hits the x-axis. So think about what kind of points it might be. It could be 2, 0, maybe the line's this way, it could be negative 3, 0. But no matter what, the x-intercept is always going to be a number for x and a 0 for y. Okay, now the y-intercept is the opposite, right? The y-intercept is a point on the y-axis, and that's always going to be a point like 0, 2, 0, negative 4. The y-intercept is always 0, comma, a number. The x value is 0, and the y value is a number. For the x-intercept, I'm going to plug in 0 for y and find that x value. If I was asked for the y-intercept, I would plug in the 0 for the x and find the y value. But here, I'm going to plug in 0 instead of the y. So notice I'm copying the equation exactly. The only thing that's changing is instead of the y, I'm plugging in a 0. This says 6 times y, so I'm writing 6 times 0 instead. 6 times 0 is 0. So that becomes 0, and when I add 0 to something, it just stays the same. So this becomes negative 4x equals 10. X is being multiplied by negative 4, so I'm going to divide by negative 4 to get x by itself. A positive divided by a negative is a negative, and 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. So my x-intercept, this is my x value, 2.5. The x-intercept is a point on a graph, so I have to give it as an ordered pair. So the x value is negative 2.5, and the y value, oh yeah, the y value is 0, right? I plugged in 0 for y, so this is my x-intercept.